Are you ready? Are you ready? Distinguished Toastmaster Tiaga, all the best.
So are you guys ready to listen to this?
Yes!
I was taught, when I was in school, I joined the Boy Scouts. So the motto of the Boy Scout is?
Always be ready.
There you go. Be prepared. Always be ready is Girl Guides. We'll talk about that later. So I believe, whatever it is, you must be prepared. Your parents bought insurance for you?
Yes.
Why?
So,
You think they care for you? No, they are not willing to spend money for you in case anything happened to you. So they pay peanuts to the insurance company, so the insurance company will take care of you.
now I know.
Now you know. So you must be ready. So they were ready. But only thing, they were not ready to who they are going to deliver to. They don't choose your face. They don't choose your color. But you were born. They were not ready for that. But you must be get ready in your life, because the person you're going to get married, you're going to have the same fate. Because you can't choose your child, you can't choose the color, you can't choose anything for them. He may be mentally retarded also. Yes. So how are you going to face it? So are you prepared? How are you going to prepare yourself? Back to mentally, whatever happens, you must tell yourself that I can make a change. Acceptance. You must have acceptance. Can you accept to, when you walk out here, you get banged by a motorbike?
Yes.
You can accept. Don't be liars. Nobody accepts things like that. But to be able to accept is have some confidence in you that this will not happen to me. Nobody wants bad things to happen, right? So are you ready to go through life?
No.
Don't aim for sky high. Plan one thing at a time. Live your life today. Then you'll be ready tomorrow. Live for tomorrow, you'll be ready for next time. Some people say, 50 years later I want to buy a bungalow. But if you don't work today, you're not ready. So live your life every minute. Enjoy it. Never hurt people's feelings. Never harm anybody. Eat well, speak well. Join Toastmasters.